Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to share one of my favorite and easy Mexican recipe with you all, and the name of the dish is avocado quesadilla. For that we need mint, we need 2 bell peppers, but I got 2 different colors, and you need avocado, lime, whole wheat tortilla, yogurt, cheese, and that's it. We'll roast these bell peppers in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So before putting that, we'll apply some oil on the bell peppers and we'll roast that straight away. I had applied some oil so that the skin will come off easily. So my roasted bell peppers are done. I got a nice color. Now we'll keep these bell peppers in a bowl. We'll clean wrap this and we'll leave it for 5 to 6 minutes so that the skin will come very easily. Now it's done. We'll cut them in half, we'll take the skin off and we'll deseed it. Now we'll chop these bell peppers real quick. We'll chop some mint real quick. We'll add some seasoning, salt, cracked black pepper, herbs, a quick mix. Now we'll make the quesadilla, so we'll add some cheese in the base and then we're gonna add the bell pepper mix. Lots of cheese. Bell pepper mix. Before cooking quesadilla, we're gonna make our avocado sauce because we cannot keep the avocado sauce for a long time. We need it fresh. So we're gonna make it now real quick. So when I buy avocado, I try to buy the ripe one when I have to use on the same day. And if I want to keep it for a long time, I will buy unripe. Now I will show you the best way to cut avocado. We'll take the knife, we'll put in the middle. That's it. Now we'll keep it like this safely and slowly and just move the avocado and try to keep in the same level. Yeah, done. Now we just need to, that's it. So now the best way to take out is take the knife and very slowly point this here in the middle like this. And need to twist. That's it. Very careful with this stage. Now some fresh lime juice real quick. Some fresh mint. Just a little. Some salt real quick. Yogurt. Now we'll add some water and we'll give a quick blend. So now we'll take this avocado sauce real quick in a bowl. We got it nice and thick. Now our sauce is ready and we'll cook our tortilla real quick. Some oil. We'll try to give a nice color like this. So now our quesadilla is ready and we'll plate it real quick. We'll cut this in half first and then one more triangle. Now sauce on the side. Little bit of smoked paprika on the top. So this Mexican dish looks incredible, and the best part is it's very easy to make. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So please like, share, subscribe and comment for more upcoming recipes coming up. Thank you and take care.